I am Verandah McKinney. Veranda like the Starbucks blend, McKinney like the lovely city. That joke only works in North Texas. And if you're a Starbucks drinker. All of the things on my shirt, butter, eggs, kitchen pantry staples, all those things sent me to China as a teenager. When I was growing up in Brooklyn, my mother baked and sold homemade cookies from our family's kitchen. So her, spirit of entrepreneurship, my parents' sacrifices. I also was a Girl Scout growing up, so cookies are life, duh. All of these things kind of help to shape my ideas about the business and the sort of things that I want the business to be able to contribute to. So I like to say that Baked is more than just the cookies. It's about making an impact in communities. It's about making sure people have access to equitable food. Most importantly, it's about championing opportunities for girls and young women to travel. I would not be the person that I am today without having the opportunity to travel. So in everything that we do, that's literally baked into every cookie. There needs to be something that's bigger than me. There needs to be something that's bigger than the cookies. And I think community impact is it. So anything that's left here today, for instance, we'll usually donate it to a shelter or give it to someone in need of, some sort of treat. Because again, we believe that everyone, regardless of zip code, deserves equitable access to quality foods, period, like full stop. So behind that, we have the donation of cookies. We do give money to community serving organizations because we know that without those funds, without that support, lives can't be changed, right? Communities can't be impacted. I am definitely the product of someone who has benefited from community serving organizations. My family has visited food pantries, in the past. So I know what it's like to depend on community for very basic needs. So now part of our community impact and involvement is to make sure that we're giving back to the very communities that, I've just benefited from in the past. So yeah.
No, $5.
Oh, that's $5 each.
Yeah, so this one's $5, this one's $5.
Gotcha. Okay.
But these are 6.
I remember. So one of my favorites is the North Texas Food Bank. Hey, y'all. I love the North Texas Food Bank just because of the work that they do, especially for children in school. As a former educator, I have seen firsthand that sometimes the only meals that kids get in school are, or the only meals that kids get are in school. So whether it's breakfast, whether it's lunch, whether it's a snack, North Texas Food Bank makes sure that, kids are getting those things not just in school, but they have like these bags, these boxes, these resources to take home. We love and support Samaritan Inn. That's right here in McKinney, and the programming and resources they, afford to our unhoused populations. We love City House down in, I think it's Richardson, Plano, that area. We love Aunt Betty's Pantry. That's like downtown Dallas. There is a very short list, or maybe it's not a short list, but there is a list of organizations that we love on the website. So if you want to see some of the places that we've supported or donated things to, Network of Community Ministries, that's in Richardson. We love the work that they do. Their pantry, their clothing closet, the career fair that's coming up March 5th, if I can plug that. These are just some of the things that we like to support because we know it takes a village. So if we can give you cookies, great. If we can give you a few bucks, great. If we can give you our time, great. Volunteering at the North Texas Food Bank is also really fun because you get to like box stuff and, be on that assembly line. So yeah. So all you need to do is go to McKinneymakes.com. So McKinney like the city, makes cookies.com. Or you can hit us up on socials and send us a message. It's me. And if it's not me, it's my husband. If it's not my husband, then we've been hacked. So yeah, pretty easy to find in this wonderful, wonderful city. We are the best cookies clearly in this part of North Texas. So I see Alexa's out there doing God's work for us. Yes. But no, I'm just incredibly blessed to be able to do what I do, knowing that the impact is going to last longer than me.